How often I should replace this my car's windshield wipers? There is old wiper and then this new one. And how I can inspect this my old wipers? It is really easy. Firstly, I have to take this my old wiper in little bit away, and then I need to take that out in this position that I can check this side area also. And this is really important thing that we do this windshield wiper check annually, and my recommendation is that we replace these wipers in USA in every year, once annually, because these parts are really good safety equipments, and that's I recommend always these windshield wipers replace annually. Okay, and then of course what brands I recommend to you. The first one is that I recommend these original manufacturer's parts, and then second is this German made Bosch. There is this brand name in here, and there we can see this name. Bosch is really excellent maker of these parts, and I have really used these Bosch windshield wipers about 30 years. And then we can see that how we can inspect this old windshield wiper next and then replace these parts. And then how I can inspect this my old windshield wiper arm, and there is really this part is my old windshield wiper arm, and now I have removed, and there is really situation that this inspection happens so that I go through this my arm, and if I can see that this part is moving, this is totally scrap, and my recommendation is always that we purchase these arms in annually, because this is not very expensive part. This costs about $10 per piece, but this is really important protective equipment. And here we have new windshield wiper arm, and this is so elastic that there is no any moving part or rip, and this movable parts. And that's this firstly inspection is that if we can see any of these moving parts like that one, then we need to immediately replace this our windshield wiper. And also this part actually goes bad quite soon. When we have used that about 1 year, then there is no any this sharpness. This is not any more sharp. And that's I recommend always to purchase this new arm windshield wiper in here. Okay, good.